where you have a sales order, item 10 and item 20. This is having a partner function 1, partner function 2, and this is having a partner function 1, partner function 2, and partner function 3. That's a additional contact person is there for this one, right? So in general, if this partner function value also, this is A, this is B, here also it is A, it is B, ship to party, sold to party, those kind of things. It's exactly same. So in this case, in general, system will combine those and create a single delivery. And this partner function 3 system will take to the header level. In general, this will happen. But if you want, if I have anything which is different, whether the partners are different or any partner function is changed between the line items, system should always split the deliveries. Then we tick this indicator. Okay, then we tick the indicator delivery split with the partners.